RGB LED acrylic sign includes one-piece blank acrylic plate. You can engrave or curve on it or write with highlighter. Here are the control buttons. Press the central button to set light colors and light modes. It is USB powered. You can connect to PC, power bank, or wall power adapter. Press the central button to set light colors. When white light is on, press again and it turns to flashing light mode. Press again and it turns to fast fading light mode. Press again and it turns to slow fading light mode. Press again and it turns off. You can set brightness in 4 levels by pressing the brighten and darken buttons. With acrylic supports, it can stand on the table firmly. You can also hang it up with chain.